4 hours because we are going to have some problems with fog, so visibility will be quite poor. We've had some problems with fog through the morning, 1 or 2 patches across the south. They've been melting away. Elsewhere further north we've got a lot of cloud, but plenty of sunshine now extending from the Wash right the way down across South Wales, and more sunshine to come through the rest of today. Brightening up too through the Midlands. Northern Ireland probably brightening up a touch through the rest of today, staying fairly grey and grizzly through much of Yorkshire and Lincolnshire, and Western Scotland staying rather grey and overcast with a little bit more rain here at times, and also pretty windy. But for all of us, temperatures are a little bit higher than they were this time yesterday, a little bit milder, particularly down to the southwest. In the sunshine, not bad at all for December here, up to 12 Celsius. But through this evening, those temperatures, I think, will fall away quite quickly. Not such a problem across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Here, more cloud and more rain slipping southwards through the night, particularly across northwestern Scotland. England and Wales will stay dry, but as those temperatures fall quite quickly, we are going to have some problems with that fog. Now, it's going to turn pretty thick pretty quickly. It'll be quite dense through the night, and in some places it's going to last for the bulk of tomorrow, particularly through England and across eastern Wales. So it'll make for some pretty hazardous driving conditions, visibility less than 100 metres in places, particularly through the morning rush hour, when it could also be quite slippery as well, with the potential for freezing fog as those temperatures in rural areas get down to 0. Not a problem with frost further north, with more cloud spilling in, and that cloud and rain will push down across Scotland and Northern Ireland through Wednesday, so a fairly dull and damp day here. For England and Wales, it will be dry, and where we don't have the fog problems, well, we will see some brightness, but I think through parts of the Midlands, through the Fens and down into the southeast, that fog could be very stubborn and linger really throughout the day. And where it does, well, temperatures might not rise at all. It may stay at around about freezing, so for some of us it'll be a cold and foggy day. Away from the fog, temperatures will be similar to today's values. Into Thursday, and a brighter story across Scotland and Northern Ireland, more sunshine here. Struggling a little bit temperature-wise. Further south, still up to 9 or 10 Celsius, but then the cloud and the rain starting to push in from the southwest, from these weather fronts. They'll be getting closer on Thursday nights. They'll start to introduce some warmer air by the time we get to Friday, so it won't be quite as cold, but for most of us on Friday it looks pretty wet and windy. Back to you.